shortly. All right, now moving on for the discussion, I also have Mr. Alok Mehta joining me live on the broadcast. Now, Ms. Rajlakshmi Joshi has also hinted at, as per her opinion, this is going to be morally a bigger win for the NDA. Or let's also put it in a way that NDA enjoys a favorable, morally higher edge than the India bloc at this point of time in this context. But when we speak of the BJD BRS abstention in the vice presidential poll, what in your opinion this means for the entire contest, given that there is absolutely no noise or there is absolutely silence at even the residence of Jagdeep Dhankar given at this point?
Simran, I think it's a democratic setup. It's not a Aurangzeb or Vikramaditya regime. That's why I just wanted to say that because the House of States, Rajya Sabha is a House of States. That's why maybe states also there have some ambitions who will be represented. So Ibarat in Hindi we say na board par likha hua hai. So result already Rajlakshmi ji mentioned about it. I think I want to talk about the democratic setup, the real challenge, because I was covering Rajya Sabha since 1972. Gopal Swarup Pathak, Venkataraman, Shankar Dayal Sharma, such a stalwarts, or last time the Venkaya Naidu also there. So I think these kind of traditions were there. And I think now the whole system, the Rajya Sabha rules and regulations were formed in 1952. You see, we have changed the law, we have changed the 370, everything, revolution happened. Even in the Congress regime, there was so much amendment. But there is no amendment in the Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, and Parliament. That's why I feel this will be right time and challenge for this. Result is already there that Radhakrishnan ji will be win because there is no competition. The number game is also there. So I am not discussing that because I don't want to discuss the politics. I want the democracy should be strengthened. What happened in last few years and especially in the last sessions also, how the opposition behaved, so much problems. There's no money, 30%, 20% work happened in the whole parliament in the Rajya Sabha. So I think this was very unfortunate. That's why the real challenge for even chairperson as a vice president, Mr. Radhakrishnan, he's a very experienced person. And I think he has to, but a big challenge will be how he can talk with every parties and discuss how we can control and work regularly, because the state's ambition or political ambition, the world ambition for the Indian democracy, how the welfare is, the question hours, you see, question hour I used to, but still I follow this question hour because it gives the picture of the whole India. So these kind of rules we need that people can discuss, debate. The whole night they used to do it. Still also on some important issue they discuss in late night because the disruption so much. So I think there will be no big challenge will be new chairperson as a vice president, because this is a major role of vice president. Even if you are aware, vice president has not got any salary. Salary got from as a chairperson of the
Rajya Sabha.
Rajya Sabha. This is very interesting. That's why I'm saying the major role, maybe sometime in a very, very serious happening, something happened, then he will be acting president. And sometime it also happened like Shankarlal Sharma and Venkataraman and Vivek, they became a president also. So it's a very challenging time for Indian democracy. And I think opposition should also learn something to save the democracy, not to destroy and create anarchy in the whole country.